What's going on today, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. I want to talk about the 3 biggest ways to use organic reach to get more clients, get more leads, and generate more sales, okay? As you've seen around the world on social media, there's a lot of people like myself who are using those stories where you have people message you a certain word, okay? The reason why we're doing that is because it qualifies people more. If I just said swipe up now and find out how I can run ads for your business, there's not going to be that much intent because anybody can swipe up. But it takes a certain person to listen, watch the whole video, and also, be of a higher intent. And also that word that they use has to be positive. Saying the word scale, that could scare people because some people are actually afraid to scale. But when I said the word launch, it does a lot better. So think about the actual word you're using, or maybe the certain niche that you're in, whatever they actually want out of the end benefit of your service or product. The second thing is Facebook groups. Facebook groups by far have been a huge way for me to not just host my own, but get clients through there, because not only are you going to have a higher retention of people, if you own your own Facebook group and you have a bunch of people in there who already respect you and love what you do, they're going to buy more from you. As time goes on, as they need your help, as they're scaling, as they're running their business, whatever the case may be. Also, being in other Facebook groups, posting information, posting valuable stuff for other people in the same niche to benefit from, you're going to get people to hit you up and be like, hey, that was a great tip. What do you offer? What do you do? And as soon as you get that intent, it's easy to close people because they're so fucking warm. Third piece is content. Okay, Gary Vee talks about this a lot, but I've really been putting this into fruition in the past, couple of months now. Having so much content that your face is all over the internet, multiple traffic sources, multiple platforms, those 3 things alone, these 3 tips can organically grow your business, okay? Videos, pictures, Instagram story reels, consistent TikTok videos every single day going to your niche, giving them tips on what you do, small tricks and hacks and little things that you're doing on your journey, and just videos that I've been putting out, like side hustles and ways to make money and things that people only want. At the end of the day, people are thinking about your end benefit and what they want out of your service or product. What the hell do they want out of you? You're the personality, you're the person in charge, you're the personal brand. So take those 3 things that I talked about right now, implement them. I'm telling you, I've been doing it for the past 3 years. It works every freaking time. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.